have a theory, and before you get upset, hear me out. Jamaican men are some of the most charming, loving, charismatic men on the planet. But somehow, the relationship statistics in Jamaica tell a very different story. So, what is happening? Why are so many Jamaican relationships falling apart? Is it the outside women? Is it the financial pressure? Is it the way we were raised? Paros Krieg? Is it something deeper? Something nobody wants to talk about openly? Today, we are going there. No filter, no sugarcoating, just the truth about love, relationships, and why so many Jamaicans are choosing to stay single rather than deal with the drama. Because at this point, some people have decided that peace is better than a partner. And honestly, can you blame them? Let's talk about it. Because everybody's thinking it, but nobody wants to say it out loud. Jamaican men are charming, funny, passionate, the kind of man that sweeps you completely off your feet in the first 3 months. But somewhere between month 3 and month 6, something changes. The calls get shorter, the excuses get longer, and suddenly the same man who was chasing you like his life depended on, it cannot seem to find 5 minutes for you. Is it the outside woman? The inability to communicate? The way they were raised to never show vulnerability? Or is it simply that too many Jamaican men want all the benefits of a relationship without any of the responsibility? Women are tired. They're building careers, raising children, holding households together, and still being expected to be patient while a man figures himself out. So they're making a choice, peace over drama, themselves over settling, and until Jamaican men decide to do the real work, the emotional work, the communication work, the showing up consistently work, the women will keep choosing themselves. The question is, are you ready to be the kind of man worth staying for?